Hi and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be discussing a recent development in the world of artificial intelligence, the use of chat by hackers. For those unfamiliar with chat, it's an AI bot that has been trained to perform a variety of tasks, such as answering questions, writing technical articles, and even creating code. However, according to cybersecurity experts at Checkpoint Research, chat is being used by hackers to write malicious code and phishing emails. Some of these hackers have little or no programming experience, but are able to use chat to create scripts that can be turned into ransomware or used to steal information. In fact, within weeks of chat's launch, members of cybercrime forums were using it to create software and emails for illegal purposes. The chat AI bot has also been used to create a script that launches an online trading platform for exchanging compromised accounts and other virtual goods. But chat's capabilities don't stop there. Researchers at Checkpoint Research were able to use the AI to simulate a hacker attack, resulting in the creation of a phishing email and a malicious spam macro. So what does all this mean for the future of AI? While chatbots with AI have the potential to be useful tools for providing concise information and generating ideas, they also pose a threat to traditional search engines like Google. If chatbots can form ideas on their own, they could potentially overtake search engines and present a risk to companies that rely on search engine traffic. This development highlights the need for caution when it comes to AI and its potential risks. It's important for AI developers and users to be aware of the possible dangers and take precautions to prevent harmful AI use. So, what do you think about the use of chat by hackers? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.